Welcome to this video where I'll show you how you can easily create folders for your apps on your phone. And the easiest way to do this is to move two of the apps you want to put together in a folder close together. For example, I would like to create a folder for my social media apps, in this case Instagram and Facebook. So I make sure that they are next to each other by just tapping on one of the apps for a few seconds, and now I'm able to move it around, and I'm just trying to put it as close together as I can. And to create the folder, you can just move one app on top of the other app. So I just tap on the app I would like to move and then just trying to put it on top of the other app. And as you can see, my folder has now been created. And if I would like to add another app to this folder, I just drag it into this folder as well. And if you would like to change the name of the folder, all you need to do is to click into the folder and click onto the folder's name. And now you can delete the current name and just put in the new name for your folder. And just click somewhere else on the screen after you finish typing it in, and it has been saved automatically. And that's how you create and name your folders on your phone. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.